And so the feature we're talking about today is the split screen buttons. Actually, we've got two buttons that do two things. So the button to the left of this button here will pop out the text editor into its own window. So this is useful if you've got another side monitor or something like that. So popping an editor out into its own window is not a super hard thing to do. You can also do that, I think, within View, Area, and Duplicate Area into New Window by default in Blender. So this is just a convenience feature for that. But the button to the right of it does something pretty cool. What it will do is convert the editor to the right of it into another text editor. But it also allows us to quickly get rid of it so we can continue doing tests in Blender while we're scripting, etc. So where this feature becomes notably really cool is when you are in a situation where, say, you have a bunch of files open and you want to quickly be able to jump to one file, copy some things from it, and paste it into another, or else search around for it in one file or something else, and then quickly jump back. So that's pretty much it. It's a simple but really useful feature available in Hacker.